What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing the install of the lights right now. So this is how it is with the lights off, or with the lights on. So you can see it doesn't really light up that much. I mean, one's pretty good, but it just doesn't really light up how I want it to. So I'm gonna be setting those up right now. Let me set them up right now. So this is what I'm talking about. Look how much room I got. Holy crap. There's a lot of room. Or a lot of room. A lot of light. So I got that light. There's those three. And just that alone. Holy shit. So I'm gonna have that one because I needed to watch what I was freaking doing. Holy crap. Look at all that light. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So yeah, it came with three, but I'm only doing two at a time. So I did 1, 2. I think this one I did do 3. Oh no. Okay, yeah. Because the line's right there. The slit is right there. There it is. The line's right there. So it comes with connectors. 1, 2. It's space connected. 1, 2. Connected space, and then 1, 2. So and then now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna connect, because right now I'm using an extension because it doesn't reach all the way. It doesn't reach so close, but yet so far. So I'll probably just get a little extension, a two-way extension, to have it go out that way and have it go out that way. Yeah, to have it go out that way and have it go out that way to connect them. I'm gonna set the other one up right now. The other one should be easier. This one wasn't as easy just because there's I guess like a little chip right there on the wall. But other than that, I mean, I was still able to get them on there. And super freaking bright. Sweet. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. I'm about to put the other one on. Should be the same, right? Yeah. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Cool, perfect. Sweet. This one I might be able to do it a little closer, probably about like right here. So I'm actually going to be a lot closer to the plug. Yeah. So I'll do it about right there where the hood is at. Yeah, right there. Boom. All right. I'll keep you guys updated. Or actually, I might do a quick little time lapse of me doing that.
기분 좋은 설레 한동안 눈을 메고서 떠나는 내 뒷모습 초라해 보이지만 바람은 따라 내 맘도 따라 소나기가 내리는 나의 오후 기분 좋은 설레
Look at that, just lights up the whole garage. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, we're gonna end up taking this down because this is useless. We're gonna take down that fan too. Oh, this is awesome. Hell yeah. Awesome. Sweet. Alright, you guys, that's the install. It was honestly really self-explanatory. The only thing I would suggest anybody is don't buy use the ones that it came with. These, here they are. Those. I want to suggest anybody using these just because they kept breaking off. All three of them kept breaking off. And I would suggest not using these either. I would use. What did I just bought them? Let's just put them on. Oh, that's it. Put them on.
Ooh, it looks bright.
Right. Make sure they're flat though. See how it is? This one still has a little bump, but I would get them flat. That way they sit really flush and they still are able to grab. That's gonna be it, you guys. Dang, they look bright as hell, huh? I'm gonna end up getting extensions, that way we're not having that big thing hanging out. And yeah, look.
I know.
It weighs. I know. I don't care. And man, I was even trying to measure it out. Yeah, it's like waves. It's okay. It's alright. That's gonna be it, you guys. If you guys like my channel and you guys like what I'm doing in the garage, or you guys want to see more garage stuff, let me know. That's gonna be it. So yeah, that's gonna be it for like the garage lighting and all that. If you guys want to see more in depth of other stuff, we're gonna be putting walls over there, and then we're gonna be putting brick walls. So we're gonna be covering everything up the way it looks nice. We'll be putting up posters of mine and Paulina's car and all the other fun stuff around the wall. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on everything else that's going on, even the car. And once we get the HUDs and all that, we'll start breaking down the car and all that. All right. Peace.